Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Podio account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you invite a member into one of your Podio workspaces? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a member into your Podio workspace anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business through Podio, you can set up different workspaces depending on the team or the project. And it's normal to invite your other team members in so they can work and track everything. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Podio dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Podio, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to invite someone into one of your workspaces, here on the left at the top, you're going to click on this little hamburger menu, these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, you're going to see all of your workspaces. So choose the workspace you want to add that member into. So for example, this one right here, Chinese food team. All right, once you do that, you're going to see the members of this group. You can see it's just me. Now in order to invite another member, click right here, invite. Now you can choose to invite employees or clients. So if you click on the little eye next to it, you can see that clients can only view items and can comment. But if you're adding a team member that's going to be making changes, you're going to click up here onto employees. All right, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and enter in their email address. They will receive an invitation to be added into this workspace. If that person is already in your contacts, you can click here, address book. Here in the address book, you can go ahead and choose the member you're adding in. I don't have any members in this particular Podio, so let me cancel out of this. Once you've added them in, you can go ahead and add a note why they're receiving the invitation. And then next you can go ahead and choose their permissions. So they can be an admin, a regular member, or a light member. If you need help defining those roles, go back and watch my other video that described them in detail, or you can click right here on role details. So once you've done that, go ahead and click on add to Chinese food team, or whatever the name of the workspace is. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add a team member into your Podio workspace, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.